Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new topic, that is phloem, in the same chapter. Before this, we have already read about xylem. Now we are going to start phloem, and we will study about the parts of the phloem as such. So we are going to start the topic. Now let us talk about the phloem. Now, let us talk about the functions of phloem first of all. You see, phloem helps in transport of food. In angiosperm, it consists of many parts. First is sieve tube element, second is companion cell, third is phloem parenchyma, and the fourth one is phloem fibers. Now, let us see, the diagram is also given here. Sieve cells are basically present in gymnosperm, not in angiosperm. This is the structure of sieve tube and the companion cell. So these are the actually sieve tube elements. और इसके बगल में जो ये स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है ऑलरेडी दिखाया हुआ है, लेबल्ड है, कंपेनियन सेल दिया हुआ है, देखिए यहाँ पे. नाउ दिस इज एक्चुअली फ्लोएम फाइबर्स. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ फ्लोएम फाइबर्स दिया हुआ है, नीचे भी बनाया हुआ फ्लोएम फाइबर्स दिया हुआ है. ओके, नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट टू अदर थिंग्स. वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट सीव ट्यूब एलिमेंट एंड कंपेनियन सेल. इन दोनों के बारे में हमें पढ़ना है. आप देखिए ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है ये आपका सीव ट्यूब का दिया हुआ है. ये स्ट्रक्चर सीव ट्यूब एलिमेंट आप देख रहे हो. सीव ट्यूब एलिमेंट में ये जो मेन फंक्शन होता है, इट यूज टू कैरी फूड एंड पास फ्रॉम वन सेल टू अदर सेल. नाउ अनदर काइंड ऑफ cell is very present very near to the sieve tube, and that is called as companion cell. Companion cell has a nucleus while sieve tube does not have a nucleus. Therefore, all the activities of the sieve tube element are actually controlled by the companion cell. There is a plasmodesmatal connections between the companion cell as well as the sieve tube, because exchange of certain substances can take place between these two cells. Now you can see another structure, very important structure, sieve tube element is present here. Now it has certain pits. You can see why these pits are present, so that the food can be transferred from one sieve tube element to another sieve tube element in a very coordinated manner. There is no disturbance in this. So, and that is the reason why nucleus is also not present, because naturally in order to move food from one sieve tube to another sieve tube, nucleus takes space, and therefore it is not present. But it is present in nearby companion cell, and companion cell is also responsible for controlling pressure gradient in the sieve tube element as such. Okay. Now let us talk about another two parts of the phloem, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. See, the diagram has been given here. You can see phloem fibers. Phloem fibers are basically dead cell. On maturity they become dead, and basically they have a role in mechanical strength, providing mechanical strength. In many cases they become very important. For example, in case of sun hemp and jute plant, they provide fibers for synthesis of clothes, jute bags, etc. Okay, now you see phloem parenchyma is also present. You can see the diagram of phloem parenchyma very near to it. Phloem parenchyma has also pits in them. They are interconnected. Plasmodesmatal interconnection is present, so the substances, they can interchange their substances as such. You can see the dense nucleus is present in phloem parenchyma, and a vacuole is also present. These are actually living cells. These are living cells. So they store carbohydrate. Apart from that, they also store mucilage, resins, latex, etc. So I have explained you all the parts of the phloem as such. Now let us talk about assignments. Now this is the assignment which has been given here. You see, the first question, write the functions of phloem. You know it very well. Functions of phloem is to transfer the food, the basic function. What are the function of sieve tube elements? Sieve tube elements, transfer of food, pressure gradient is developed in the sieve tube with the help of the companion cell. Now diagram of sieve tube element, is already given in the NCERT book. You can see the diagram. Now the fourth question is describe the function of phloem parenchyma with the help of diagram. So these are the living cells. You can draw the diagram and define the functions. I hope you like my lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.